In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Shopify basics, how to add Facebook, Twitter, and other social media links to your online store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a vibrant and connected Shopify store, making it easier for visitors to engage with your brand on different platforms. So, let's get started with a straightforward step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left panel, you will find a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Apps in Shopify are powerful tools that can help extend your store's capabilities. And today, we're specifically looking for an app that makes sharing your social media links seamless. In the search bar, type in the name Sharely, a convenient app for achieving our goal. Once you see Sharely listed in the search results, click on it to proceed with the installation. It's as simple as that. If you're unfamiliar with installing apps in Shopify, don't worry. Shopify makes this process very intuitive. After clicking the Install button, wait for the process to complete. It should only take a few moments. Now that Sharely is successfully installed, the app will automatically launch right there in your admin dashboard. You'll notice it's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the setup process. The first thing Sharely will prompt you to do is to enable it on your site. Don't skip this important step, as enabling the app is necessary for the social media links to actually appear on your store. By doing so, you're essentially integrating the app with your Shopify store. Once Sharely is enabled, you can begin configuring the social media links. The app will prompt you to select icons that represent the social media platforms you want to link. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or another platform, think about where you have a presence and where you want to direct your customers. Next to each icon, you'll need to enter the corresponding social media URL. Be sure to double-check these links to ensure they're accurate, as any incorrect URL could lead your visitors to the wrong place. Beyond just adding links, Sharely also allows you to customize where these icons appear on your store. You can choose the position that best fits your design and aesthetic, whether at the top, bottom, or side of your pages. Customization is key to maintaining a consistent brand image, even when incorporating new elements. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully added social media links to your Shopify store using Sharely. This small addition can make a big difference, fostering greater engagement and connectivity with your audience. Thanks for following along, and happy selling! Thanks for you all.